Hello everybody, here's going to be a video on my 1970s or 80s Pifco Spinair 18-inch desk fan. Been a while since you've seen this fan on the channel. Last time you saw it, I think it was in that little short video of me just doing a video of it. When you just plug it in and it starts spinning. I've changed that, I've rewired it all in the base. The switch is working. I've done a lot of oil into it, it's oscillating, well, it was oscillating before, but spinning a lot nicer. It's all been rewired, restored from, if you remember back in Easter, it almost caught fire. That motor was gone into scrap and all the wiring out of it. It's all been redone. The plug. That's just the pump on the fridge kicking in. Still sounds a bit knackered, but I'm getting an extremely rare new fan soon. Two actually, one's for Christmas though. It kind of eases out the rack line. It does not sound happy. Oh my God. Sounds like it just wants to be put out of its misery, but nope, it's staying in my collection. Anyway, thanks for watching and bye.